You've made your avatar, you've got a solid clone, you're making content. But now every video looks meh. Same person, same setting, same everything. Boring. But honestly, you don't show up looking exactly the same every time you walk out the door. Your avatar doesn't have to do that either. I say we give your avatar an actual wardrobe, using AI to design new looks, reference photos to get specific, and a method for adding more source material that makes your avatar perform better overall. Let's get into it. I'm Mary Lou Mandel, and this is Starting with HeyGen. Quick vocabulary before we touch anything. A look is a visual variation of your avatar. Same face, same voice, same person. Different setting, different outfit, different vibe. Your looks all live in your avatar's library and you can build plenty. If you just made your clone, you probably have one look right now. Don't worry, that is where everyone starts. Let me show you where we can go from here. This is your avatar's home. Everything lives here. Your existing looks are in this grid. All the visual variations attached to your avatar. I want you to see this. This is my avatar's library right now. 54 looks. 54. Different energy, different context, casual, put together. I could do even better than this, but we're looking for range. The more you give it, the better results you can get. From inside your avatar, you've got two paths for adding more. You can upload footage or photos directly, or you can ask AI to design a new look entirely. We're looking to upload first, and I want to tell you why. When you give HeyGen more source material, more angles, more lighting conditions, more of you, it has more to work with. That makes your AI-generated looks more accurate, more natural, and closer to what you're actually going for. You're not just adding a look, you are improving everything that comes after it. Inside your avatar, click to add more looks. You've got a few ways to get footage in. Drag and drop, record directly, or paste a Google Drive link. HeyGen gives you tips right here. If uploading a video, speak expressively for at least 15 seconds. I suggest more. Natural expressions and gestures. Pause between sentences. Quiet, well-lit space. Same setup that gave you a great clone gives you great additional looks. Photos work too, and this is where I want to spend a second. HeyGen is very clear about what it needs. One person in the photo only, face clearly visible. HeyGen shows you the do's and don'ts right here. And the don'ts are things that seem fine at first. A group photo where you're in it, a shot where your face is cut off on the edge, but don't do it. You're just asking for trouble. A clean solo shot where you can see your gorgeous face clearly? Yes, do that. I've uploaded a lot of reference photos, and you can see it in the quality of what comes out. Every upload is an investment in every video you make from here forward. Do a few before you move on to the AI path, and you will notice a difference. Now that you've given HeyGen more to work with, we can make videos using any of these images as looks, but first, let's go design something. Back in your avatar, let's choose Design with AI. You describe what you want, you can add visual references, and it creates a new look for your avatar based on that input. The references part is the thing most people don't think to use, but it's the key to getting results that are way better than just trying to describe what you're thinking. Your current look is on the left. That's the base HeyGen is starting from. The text field is where you describe the edit. And see this toggle on the right, personal model. Make sure that is on. That tells HeyGen to use your face and not just a generic stand-in. Now, references. Click that. This is where you upload photos or videos to show HeyGen what you're going for, not just describing it, actually showing it. A photo of a setting that you love, a screenshot of an aesthetic you want to match, a picture of yourself in the environment you want the look to reflect. This is how I got the version of my avatar in the car with an iced coffee. I gave HeyGen a reference of the exact context. You've seen these types of videos, casual chatting in the car. I found some screenshots, then I uploaded them. And because I already uploaded additional looks of myself before I got here, it had a stronger foundation to build from. Reference uploaded, description written, now we generate. You might get exactly what you want on the first try. You might need to adjust the prompt or swap the reference and go again. That's normal. This is a creative tool, not a vending machine. A more specific reference almost always gets you a closer result. Give yourself a couple of rounds if you need them. Before we leave, take a look at this section below the prompt area, the look packs. Pre-built look environments you can remix onto your avatar. Office interview, podcast studio, presentation room, fitness. Each one has multiple looks inside it. Podcast studio has 5 looks in this pack. Different angles, different lighting, all in the same environment. You browse, you find one that fits, hit remix looks, and HeyGen applies it to your avatar. Look packs are fast. The describe plus references path gets you specific. They work well together. Use whichever fits what you're looking to build, or do both if you want. One last thing, you now have the tools to build a full wardrobe, which means you could theoretically, use a completely different look every single video. But what I suggest is picking a few really strong ones to rotate through. Use those consistently so your audience builds recognition. Then use other looks intentionally for a specific series, for a specific platform, a specific reason. 54 looks does not mean you need to have 54 different identities. It just means you have options. Use them like a professional. We started with the problem of every video looking the same. Now you know exactly how to fix it. Browse what you have, design new looks with AI and references, add more source material through uploads to improve your results, and make a decision about which looks are your strongest. We are on a mission to make sure you get the best results out of your HeyGen avatars, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss a single video. And if this series is helping you, drop a comment. We definitely read them, and they help us know exactly what you are looking for next. I'll see you in the next one.